girlfriends, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited that you are here. Thank you so much for subscribing, and for all my new subscriber, welcome. My name is Jency. I'm on a journey to become debt free. You guys, we are at 812 subscriber. Yay! So if you're new here, please subscribe. My goal is to have 1,000 subscriber before this year ends. If we don't accomplish that goal, I want to see how much we can accomplish or how close we get. So today I do have 2 happy mails, which I'll be sharing with you throughout the video. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm so excited. I don't know exactly how much money I have. Literally, I just put money on the side and then we count later on. Happy Monday. It is afternoon, so the lighting looks a little bit like damped because it is already late. It's starting to get a little bit darker outside. So I have 20, 40, 40, 50, 60, 70, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93. I have $93 to cash up on my saving challenges. Yay! I'm so excited, you guys, to go pumpkin patch. I hope we can go pumpkin patch. I am hoping by next month my channel is gonna change a little bit, so I'm gonna try to put more contacts out there. And yeah, I'm excited, you guys. All right, let's go ahead and get started. I'm obsessed with my binder. It's my favorite color. And also I need to go do my nails, you guys. My gel has been just peeling off, and also my nails are very fragile and they're like breaking, so I have to file it and stuff like that. So it sucks, but I need to do gel instead of acrylics. All right, let's see. Should we do backwards or forward? Backwards or forward? I don't know. Let's just start this way, right? Let's just start this way. All right, first one is going to be from Sav Saves. Oh my gosh, $15. Yes, guess what? Your girlfriend is officially done with this challenge. I didn't think I was gonna finish this challenge. Oh, that's good. That's great. That's great. That is great. So this is supposed to save me 80 bucks. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Congratulations. Winner, chicken dinner. Okay, that is awesome, you guys. That makes me so happy. Let's go ahead and color that up. Let's see here. Oh my goodness, $80 towards my debt. Okay, that's exciting, y'all. Oh my gosh, yes. All right, awesome. So that's a new challenge that we have to put in there. That's a new challenge that we need to start looking for. All right, so that challenge is complete. I literally was not expecting that, you guys. No joke. Oh no, hold on. Okay. I created this envelope, and trust me, when you do stuff fast, it doesn't work out. All right, next. All right, next. We have this one right here. We're gonna go ahead and let's do the $14. We're getting closer on this one too, you guys. This one saves $351, which I'm so excited for that. If we need to break down the 20s, we will. Okay, so today is Monday and I'm supposed to be cleaning, but I had time to do this, and I was like, yeah, let me do this. So I haven't been able to cash up any saving challenges because I haven't had any extra money, but I was able to get extra money literally Sunday. This is all from Sunday, and I was like, yeah, let's go ahead and cash up our saving challenges. So I'm happy for that. No money for my birthday. Let's go ahead and scratch off this bat that I created, and finally, for the first time ever, it is the way how it's supposed to be. You're gonna hear my kids upstairs. Either they're gonna be fighting or playing, but you're gonna hear them. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and do this one right here. So they're doing something in our neighborhood, and then the Wi-Fi is gone. $5 is going to be added to the challenge. Our Wi-Fi is gone, and so their tablets are not working. Well, one of them is not working. And, what can we do, right? So I have 10, 20. Let me actually change that. So 10 and 20. Let's put that 20 up in here. All right. And so the Wi-Fi is gone, and Alex called and they said there's nothing wrong. And so the thing is, like, I think they messed up the cord or something here for the internet because it's not working. We thought there was like an hour, we thought it was an issue going on, but apparently not. Oh, this is a challenge that I finished the other time. Okay. Avocado. How much do I have in avocado? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 left. Let's go ahead and color this one. I will be honest with you. I just went ahead and just grabbed a random color that I found there on the table and I color it. And I should have never done that. I hate, literally, I hate 1, 2, 3, 4. I hate when the colors doesn't match. I know. I hate that. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not sure where it cut off, you guys, but apparently it said that my storage is full. So sorry about that. It's starting to get super darker. As you can see, the sun is going down. Okay, let's hurry up and do this. All right, next we have the rainbow. On the rainbow, let's see. Oh my goodness. Not sure where this is going to stop again. Oh my goodness. So I stopped doing the 99-cent storage, and look at that. I should have never stopped it. So $3 going in there. I don't know if this is going to focus, but focus. What's going on? It's just one of those days, right? 1, 2, 3. It's one of those days. I'm going to try my best to hurry. All right, let's go ahead and open our mail. So one of the mail I was able to win from Budget Mom of Girls. I believe that's her name. You guys, I watch a lot of people and it's hard to remember the name, but I'm going to write her name right here so you guys can know who I'm talking about. But I believe it's Budgeting Mom of Girls. Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and leave this here. We're going to skip this one and we're going to add something to here. I'm going to add $5 to that one. But anyways, let's go ahead and open my giveaway, shall we? I'm so excited. I didn't think I was gonna win. I entered a few of them. She had a few. Let me go get some scissors. Okay, I have cut it. As you can see, same thing with this one. I cut it already, so just in case, you know, I don't have any time. Okay, so here are the goodies that I was able to win from her. Oh my god, today is going to be a great day. Love it. I love the cute little card that she wrote. I'm going to read that on the side later on. But I want to show you, here's the little giveaway that I won. I was so excited when she called my name in her video. I was like, oh my gosh, I won. That was so exciting. Okay. All right, let me show you. So here is a dashboard, the colorful dashboard. So cute. It comes with the cute little paw savings, so pet savings. Perfect day, so cute. So I guess you put stickers in there and then you save that amount, and then they have the Be Smart Like Me, save your money for $50, the overqualified. Oh my gosh, I love that. That is so cute. And this is challenges from Becca Budget 777. And then the budget can be prickly like me, processed with caution. I love it for $50. And the pet saving one. So it's so cute. Thank you so much for hosting a little giveaway. I'm so excited to use them. I will use them, trust me. And I will read your note after. Thank you. I'm so excited. And then last but not least, this one I order a customized little book note tab. So I wanted one for fall and for Christmas, just like this one. I messaged the original person that gave me this one. I asked her if she could make me one, and she left me on red. She never replied to me. She's another budgeter. I was gonna purchase. I didn't want it for free, but she never replied to me. And then I messaged someone else on Instagram, and they were like, go with her. Go with Claudia. So I got this from Claudia. Her name is Claudia CM Budget. Okay, that's her name, Claudia CM Budget. I'm so excited though for this. And she's located in Canada, if I'm not mistaken. All right, let's see. Oh, she sent me a little birthday saving challenge. Yes, Dylan, yes. Oh, you poo-poo? Uh-oh, someone poo-poo. Hold on. She sent me the spooky season that says thank you. Yes, Dylan. Not all those who want wonders are lost stickers. Super cute. So Dylan's here with me. He doesn't want me to go clean him yet. So there's that. No, no, no. All right, let's open this up. I'm so excited. Are you excited, Dylan? All right, here we go. Oh my goodness. Mommy. Yes, Dylan. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, look how cute it is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, thank you so much, Claudia. I was so excited that you said yes, you were able to make this. I cannot wait to add it to like my little fall binder, because I'm gonna change my binder for fall. Oh my goodness, you guys, it says Yancy and it has a little cute pumpkin art design that I wanted. And she made me a Christmas one, which is pink. I love it. You know, I love pink. Oh my goodness. Oh, and then she made me one just regular, which I think I'm going to switch out later on, just as a regular. And then, oh, she sent just some regular one. Oh my goodness, the gingerbread one is so cute. I love it. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna add it to my binder. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I love it. Everything is adorable. I'm obsessed. Thank you so much for making my little idea come alive. I was so excited to have this and purchase this. I was like, I cannot wait. I cannot wait. All right, I'm gonna put that to the side, you guys. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and put it here on the video here, the winner for my saving challenge. If you are a winner, please message me on Instagram. Guys, I'm gonna get Dylan out the way from the window because he's trying to put the curtains up. So whoever is the winner here, congratulations. Message me on Instagram to claim your saving challenges. Thank you for supporting. Anyone asked me if Dylan is potty trained? No, he is not. He was doing good, but then out of the nowhere, he went back. So, you know, there's that. You know how it is. Every kid is different, so there's no other comment I have to say on that one. Eric was the same way. You know, every kid is different. Like my little sister, believe it or not, I have a little sister who is 2. Dylan just turned 3. She is potty training, and it's like it goes back and forth with them. So, but I'm sure he will be there. He will get there. All right, let's complete this one. OMG. Hi, Papi. You guys. Oh, yeah. Go find it. Go find it. So I'm trying my best to go as fast as I can because I know Dylan is here. So 20 and 5. You guys, we have completed another challenge. 25. I'm retiring this one. $25. Yay. So now this one we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 25, 125. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 25. Yep, $125. Yes, I'm so happy. I'm literally gonna go to the bank tomorrow and deposit that and pay it towards one of my debts. Oh my gosh, that's exciting. Okay, awesome. This one is a huge one. What should I do? Yeah, let's skip this one for right now and we can add on to it later. Let's add $10 on this one. This one here is $10. This one will save $200, which is exciting. All right, awesome. I'm starting to like bigger challenges, I'll be honest with you, because that way it's gonna be a big amount towards my debt, even though sometimes I don't get to stuff all of my envelope, but I'm excited to, you know, stuff something. All right, there's that. Don't mind Dylan, he's here playing, okay? That's the life of being a mom, okay? Not every time is gonna be perfect. All right, let's add 7 here. Awesome. So 5, 6, 7. Oh my gosh. Literally, look at that. Look at that. All right. Awesome sauce. Train is passing. E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Woo, Q, R, S, W. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yay, hooray! Okay. I don't want to have an IOU, guys. Let's... Oh, I don't want to have an IOU. Let's add this $5 to Fiesta. Let's do that. Okay, there we go. Fiesta. I'm saving this to when we go out to drink and Alex tells me no more drink. But usually he never lets me do that. I told him we have to go to, if you watch till this far, comment down a margarita for you to win a challenge. Margarita emoji. I told Alex we have to go to Applebee's. I saw it. Dylan! Papi! Mommy? Oh my goodness, y'all. He got up. Mom. Yes, Papi. Mom. He got up from the table. Mommy? Up and he himself. Yes. Mom. Yes. Okay, Papi, hold on. And so he's moving everything, guys. I'm so sorry. Mommy? Yes, Papi. Yes, Papi. I give you leche. Hold on. I was telling Alex that I saw a commercial literally just yesterday of Applebee's having a $1 vampire drink. I think it was a vampire. And I was like, oh my gosh. I was like, Alex, we have to go on our day off to go drink some $1 drinks. Because last year they had something like that. Or the year before that. Maybe like 2 years before that. They had something for $1. Y'all, it was the best drink ever. Believe it or not, it was so good. But anyways, I'm sorry for this kind of like floppy, messy video. If you stayed and watched, I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart.